Shinto or Shintoism, also known as Kami no Michi, means the way of the gods. The religion Shinto has no founder or founding date. What started Shintoism is a combination of Confucianism and Buddhism. Confucianism reached Japan in the 5th century AD, and by the 7th century it has spread among the people together with Chinese, Taoism, and Yin-Yang philosophy. Buddhism was officially introduced in Japan in AD 538. In the 8th century, there emerged tendencies to interpret the Shinto religion from a Buddhist viewpoint. Shintoism is a religion of Japan, and it has not spread anywhere else. Fact books and statistics typically list some 80 to 90% of Japanese people as Shintoists. There are three basic teachings in Shintoism: impurity, purification, and afterlife. Shinto teaches that certain deeds create a kind of ritual impurity that one should want cleared for one's own peace of mind and good fortune rather than because impurity is wrong. Purification rites called harae are a vital part of Shinto. They are done on a daily, weekly, seasonal, lunar, and annual basis. In old Japanese legends, it has often claimed that the dead go to a place called Yomi, a gloomy underground realm with a river separating the living from the dead mentioned in the legend of Izanami and Izanagi. This Yomi is very close to the Greek Hades. However, later myths include notions of resurrection. Shinto tends to hold negative views on death and corpses as a source of pollution called kegare. One of the most common practices of Shintoism is omairi. Omairi may be just a person visiting a shrine, and that person does not have to be Shinto to do this. My cousin from Japan has recorded herself doing omairi, and here it is.
いいよ。入りました。声なしがいいね。わかんない。5分。あ、どうぞどうぞ。
The
The religion of Shintoism is based off the mystical orientation for the first pattern. For the second pattern, the religion also is based off a couple motives. The first motive is the nature of sacred reality. The reason this follows this is because it's based off a set of practices to be carried out to establish a connection between present-day Japan and its ancient past. It is also very similar to Buddhism. Another thing is it believes in being associated with more abstract natural forces in the world like mountains, rivers, trees, and also rocks. The second motive is words and scriptures. Now, the religion of Shintoism doesn't follow an exact writing for this religion that's based off of it, but it follows the history and mythology based off the 8th century from these historical records known as the Kujoki and the Nihon Shoki. Now, when it comes to compare and contrast segments with Christianity and Shintoism, there is one thing that is similar between the religions. They both believe in a pathway of life which will lead them to a greater existence. Example, Christianity will lead you to heaven if you believe in Christ, while Shintoism believes that you will go to another reality. Now, the difference between these two is Christianity focuses principally on service to God throughout living a life that is based off the teachings of Christ, while Shintoism does not have a central leader that has served as the basis for the overall development of the religion. Rather, Shintoism is predicted upon a long tradition of harmonizing spiritual beliefs that have been supported in the context of other religions, such as Buddhism and Confucianism.